So, I was looking for a simple Chinese food recipe. Chicken chow mein. 3 main ingredients: noodles, chicken, bean sprouts, and a few spices. 1 pan, so not much to clean up. Let's start with quick cooking chow mein egg noodles. This brand is packaged as nests, and 2 nests for 2 servings seems right. Cook until soft. 3 minutes is spot on. I'm planning on only 1 pan, so drain and set the noodles aside. An overflowing cup of bean sprouts. Large onion cut into slivers, please like, comment, and subscribe. One boneless, skinless chicken breast cut into thin slices. And cut again in half to make bite-sized pieces. Oil into the pan. Get the onions frying. Add the chicken. Half a tablespoon of garlic flakes, or fresh garlic if you have. Brown the chicken on all sides. And fry for about 3 minutes until the chicken is done. While that's frying, let's make the sauce. Minimal ingredients. 1/4 cup of dark soy sauce, 1/4 cup chicken broth, a half a tablespoon of salt, and a tablespoon of flour. Mix that up well. Now back to the pan. about 2 tablespoons of sesame oil and let that flavor the chicken for a minute. Add the bean sprouts. They don't need a lot of cooking. Give the sauce another stir and add that to the pan. It will thicken quickly. Add the noodles and stir till they are fully coated. Some chopped green onion, serve. And enjoy. There you have it. A wonderful taste without much work.